If you're short like me and always need to hem your pants, you can use this tutorial to make cute little flowers out of the length that you cut off at the end, instead of just throwing it out. It's a cute and simple way to use up some of that leftover fabric. So to start with, you want to cut off a couple inches off of the bottom of your pair of pants. Then you want to make a long zigzagging stitch at the edge of your denim loop. And then to start with, you're going to sew a long diagonal from the edge of the fabric, going in about 1/2 inch. Then you want to make a short stitch back through the fabric. And then make a long diagonal back to the edge of the fabric. And make another short stitch through the fabric. Repeat this zigzag pattern until you go all the way around the loop. After you finished, you want to make sure you do not tie off the thread and instead pull the thread to gather the base of the flower. Then you want to tie it off. And that's it. That's all you have to do to finish your denim flowers.